Hey everyone, today we're exploring Who Made School. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for updates. Let's get started. Ever wondered who made school? This universal concept wasn't always formal. In ancient times, education was passed down within families, but figures like Plato began shaping formal schooling. Fast forward to the 19th century and we meet Horace Mann, who revolutionized modern schooling in Massachusetts, emphasizing education for civic virtue and moral character. Education evolved through various cultures. The ancient Greeks and Romans, the Byzantine Empire, Islamic culture, and the Indian Gurukul system all contributed to its development. These diverse systems laid the groundwork for our current education system. Schools today are more than academic spaces, they're communities for social development, mental health support, and life preparation. From ancient teachings to contemporary classrooms, the evolution of schools mirrors our civilization's growth. So, who made school? It's a tapestry of different cultures and visionaries across time. Remember to subscribe for more content and stay curious. Thanks for watching.